In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up international shipping rates on Shopify. Once you have created your international shipping zone in Shopify, the next part is adding the actual shipping rate that customers will see at checkout. Look for the new zone you just set up, and under that zone, click Add Rate. This is where you decide how you want to charge for international shipping, and it is important to choose an option that matches both your costs and the experience you want to offer your customers. First, you can set up a flat rate. With a flat rate, you will enter a name for the shipping option and then set a price. For the name, use something clear and customer-friendly, like International Standard. The price should reflect what you expect to pay on average to ship internationally, plus anything you need to cover packaging materials and your time. Flat rates are simple and predictable, which makes them easier for customers to understand. They are also easier for you to manage if you generally ship similar sizes and weights, or if you prefer not to calculate shipping for every order. Next, if you want more accuracy, you can use carrier-calculated rates. This option allows Shopify to pull real-time shipping prices from carriers like DHL, UPS, or USPS, based on the customer's address and the details of the order. To do this, select the option that says Use Carrier or App to calculate rates. This approach is often the best choice when your products vary in size or weight because it helps prevent you from undercharging or overcharging. Keep in mind that carrier-calculated rates depend on having your carrier set up and any required settings in place within Shopify. Be aware that international carrier rates can be very high. This can surprise customers at checkout, and it can also affect your margins if you are not prepared. To help account for extra costs, you may want to add a handling fee. For example, you could add a small fixed amount, like $5, to cover things like customs-related overhead, packaging, or processing time. Set the handling fee carefully, so it supports your costs without making the final rate feel unreasonable. After you choose your rate type, name it clearly, confirm the price or calculation method, and save the rate under your international zone. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.